under PM Swanidhi scheme to street vendors, and more than 7 lakh loans PNB has already provided. Maximum is no limit, because up to a certain limit only you will be MSME customer. Beyond that you will grow to a large customer. So MSME definition is investment in plant and machinery of 50 crore and turnover up to 250 crore as on today. Of course, there is a budget announcement to increase it further, which will become effective in due course. But as on today, within this definition, whichever MSME unit is there, whatever is its requirement, we fulfill it.
What is the response from women entrepreneurs? And do you have any special offers for them?
We have a special scheme, Mahila Upjami scheme, target at women customers, and there is another scheme, Stand Up India scheme, also is aimed at women beneficiaries plus SC/ST. So we have special schemes for women beneficiaries, but most of the cases we see that the entrepreneur women is a partner along with the family members, male family member. Exclusive women enterprises are very few.
To avail a loan, what are the mandatory criteria that you check for an MSME?
In MSME, mandatory criteria, first thing is the CIBIL score or the CIC score, Credit Information Company scores. And in case of a business entity, there is a CMR score. Okay. So this credit history check is one thing which is checked. There should not be any default history. Once it is okay, then what is the promoter's experience in that activity, what is his business acumen, if he is already into business, then past track record. These are the basic things. I mean, very common thing that okay, if there is a judgment to be made whether the business will be able to pay my money back. We come out on the top amongst all the states, and I'm sure the response which I am seeing here, and I'm getting data from the other parts of the country also, and extremely enthusiastic response we are getting from this
What
state.
is the rate of defaulters?
Rate of default?
Defaulters.
NPA. So if I share my bank's information, my bank's experience, in the last 4 years, whatever loans we have given to MSME sector, almost 1.5% is the NPA, 1.4. Although in the past it was higher. But in the last 4 years, because we changed certain things in our system, some underwriting standards were improved, we set up separate credit processing cells with expert officers, and then sourcing of the proposal and sanctioning of the proposal was segregated. So a sort of independence was brought in, and that's why our NPA ratio in the recent past of last 4 years is very low. ये कहना ठीक नहीं होगा कि इसकी तुलना में या उसकी तुलना में, लेकिन अगर मैं डाटा की बात करूं, प्योरली डाटा की बात करूं, तो MSME में अभी भी NPA ज़्यादा है. बड़े उद्योग में हमारा अगर इसी पीरियड का 4 साल का मैं डाटा देखूं तो हमारा NPA 0.25 होगा, 0.25%. लेकिन MSME में 1.5% है, 1.5%. तो अभी भी MSME में, लेकिन MSME में इसलिए होता है कि MSME एक छोटा उद्योग जो है, उसके अंदर जब कोई इकोनॉमिक अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं, जैसे कोविड आया या इस तरह से कोई भी इकोनॉमिक, तो उसको सहन कर पाने की कैपेसिटी उतनी नहीं होती जितनी बड़े उद्योग के पास होती है. तो ये नेचुरल है,
मैनेजमेंट का नॉलेज भी कम होता है.
बहुत सारे उसमें MSME को कंस्ट्रेंट्स होते हैं. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट भी बड़े उद्योग के लिए कोई गारंटी स्कीम नहीं देती, लेकिन MSE के लिए, माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल एंटरप्राइज के लिए गवर्नमेंट की गारंटी स्कीम्स भी है कि डिफ़ॉल्ट होने पे गारंटी भी गवर्नमेंट देगी. Solar rooftop is a thrust area today for the government as well as for banks. Last week we had held a home loan expo pan India at almost 140 places, And along with home loan, we kept solar rooftop also as a product. And gradually there is a increasing awareness in the country about this. And we are also expecting that in the days to come, there will be more of people who will opt for solar rooftop. We are also in the process of having some tie-up arrangements with the bigger players in installation of solar rooftop systems, so that there is quick response, quick delivery, quick loan sanction. And we have also in the process of developing a digital product for solar rooftop, in the sense that the customer, and it will be live very shortly, in maybe next 10 days, that the customer will apply online and will get the sanction online itself. Within a few minutes, the solar rooftop loan will be sanctioned.
What are the industries or the MSME projects they are getting attracted to your offers?
I'm not able to.
What type of entrepreneurs are attracted
Activities.
MSMEs
to avail your offers? What you
कौन
are
से इंडस्ट्रीज देख रहे हैं सर जो
This means you meant to it Gujarat or you meant to other?
In Gujarat.
In Gujarat. Let me keep. I am Dipankar Mahapatra, Zonal Manager here.
okay?
In more particularly in Gujarat, across Gujarat, we don't have any specific particular area that not like that, but still we focus some cluster-based approach. Like in Gujarat, we have made some cluster-based scheme to unlock the potential of that area. Like for example in Baroda, in more particularly Ankleshwar and Bharuch, we have a scheme on more chemical and pharma, and more particularly active APA, because that is our focus area, and there we are giving funding there. Similarly in Surat and Ahmedabad, our focus is only on textile. So here we focus because here only on textile. Similarly in Bhavnagar, we are more focusing on the rolling mill stock and along with the breaking. And Rajkot, our focus is in Morbi, in more particularly ceramics, and in Rajkot proper, we are focusing on agri processing. So it depends the situation.
So just to add to this, on pan-India basis, we have approved more than 50 clusters for focused financing of the industries located in those clusters, and we are in the process of identifying more such clusters. That wherever the Ministry of MSME has also identified various clusters in the country, so we are also approving special terms, concessional terms for those clusters, for giving a thrust to those particular industries in those specific areas. Rate of interest varies, and it depends on the credit risk of the customer. Credit risk is measured by a credit rating. So internally, we carry out a credit rating. There are various rating grades, and then it ranges from maybe 8.5% to maybe 9, 10, 11%, depending upon where is the credit rating of a particular customer. Rate of interest. Ticket size to come se kam, if the customer wants 10,000 rupees loan, we give it 10,000 rupees loan. Maximum MSME 50 lakhs, 50 crore, 100 crore, whatever is the requirement. So our banks we don't have any constraint of maximum. We can let any amount of things. देखिए, आज का हमने जो ये आउटरीच प्रोग्राम एमएसएमईज़ के लिए रखा है, ये पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने इसमें पूरे देश में लगभग 200 सेंटर्स पे ऐसा प्रोग्राम रखा गया है, जहाँ पर हमने ये कोशिश की है कि हम नए कस्टमर्स को अपने साथ जोड़ने का प्रयास करें, ताकि हमारी जो नई स्कीम्स हमने पिछले 1-2 साल में हमने लॉन्च की हैं, जिसकी जानकारी हमारे कस्टमर्स को या प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर्स को नहीं है, उनकी जानकारी उनको दी जाए, अवेयरनेस एक कैंपेन चलाया जाए, लोगों को एक हमारी स्कीम्स के बारे में जानकारी होगी और वो बैंक से जुड़ेंगे। तो एक प्लेटफॉर्म हमने आज ही क्रिएट किया, और इसमें पूरा पंजाब नेशनल बैंक की टीम पूरी इसमें एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट कर रही है और कस्टमर्स को अपनी स्कीम्स के बारे में जानकारी दे रही है। और यहाँ हमने ये भी अरेंजमेंट किया कि अगर किसी को ऑन द स्पॉट कुछ अप्लाई करके और इन प्रिंसिपल अप्रूवल चाहिए तो वो भी हमारी टीम इसमें लगी हुई है। और इससे हमारा ये आउटकम है कि ना केवल इसमें हम MSME की मदद कर पाएँ, बल्कि इसमें हमारी बैंक की भी ग्रोथ जुड़ी हुई है कि जैसे हमारे कस्टमर्स ग्रोथ होगा तो बैंक का भी ग्रोथ होगा।
और सर MSME की बात की जाए तो हर साल कितनी लोन की मांग बढ़ रही है?
MSME सेक्टर में हमारी जो इस समय ग्रोथ आ रही है, क्रेडिट ग्रोथ इसको बोलेंगे, बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री की क्रेडिट ग्रोथ, ये 15 से 17%, 15 to 17% की रेंज में क्रेडिट ग्रोथ आ रही है. बट विद दी स्टेप्स बीइंग टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट वेरी प्रोएक्टिवली, as there have been several announcements in the budget also for the growth of MME sector and facilitating growth. So I hope there will be more than 20% growth in the MSME sector in the coming period.
What is the upper ceiling of loan?
There is no upper ceiling of loan. Whatever is the requirement of a customer, if it is a Udyam registered unit, MSME unit, whatever is the loan requirement, we are ready to provide.
सर, खास करके गुजरात स्टेट में एमएसएमई उद्योग का क्या स्थिति है और बैंक का इसमें क्या योगदान रहा है?
Gujarat is one of the best states in terms of credit discipline, I will say. And there are several industries which are there. We have approved several clusters also for specific financing with concessional terms in Gujarat. So one of the best performing states and a growing industry here. And the PNB is also very comfortable in operating in this state.
सर, बजट आपने कितना एलोकेट किया है इस साल का एमएसएमई को?
हमारे बैंक एज ए होल हमने अपना 18% ग्रोथ का टारगेट रखा है इस साल के लिए एमएसएमई सेक्टर का, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हम उसको पूरा कर लेंगे.
अमाउंट में कितना आप लोग?
ये अमाउंट में करीबन 25,000 करोड़ होगा. एडिशनल इंक्रीज इन दी एमएसएमई आउटस्टैंडिंग लाइक ऑलमोस्ट.
सर, एमएसएमई उद्योग को प्रोत्साहन देना लोन के लिए कितना जरूरी है, आप क्या मानते हैं? एमएसएमई,
देखिए, एमएसएमई सेक्टर देश के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चर के बाद ये सेकंड हाईएस्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटिंग सेक्टर है, और इसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी बहुत ट्रस्ट दे रही है. और इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को देखते हुए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एमएसएमई सेक्टर को बढ़ावा दिया जाए, और हम भी इसमें एक्टिवली पंजाब नेशनल बैंक इसमें योगदान दे रहा है. So I am Sunil Chugh, the Chief General Manager heading the MSME credit in Punjab National Bank at Delhi. Today I am here in Ahmedabad on the occasion of this MSME Outreach Programme that we have organized. And this event is being organized at almost 200 places across the country today, where all our senior executives from head office are visiting. And the purpose of this outreach program is to reach out to our potential customers and give them information about our products of MSME sector that we have launched in last 2 years. We have come out with several new initiatives for facilitating funding to MSME sector, and this includes some digital products also and some cash flow based products, wherein we do not ask for the complete balance sheet of the customer, only based on their GST turnover and certain other parameters like bank account statement turnover, income tax papers, etc. We will give them finance, and they can apply online. It will be processed digitally, and within a few minutes a sanction letter will be delivered to them, and after completing the documentation formality, etc., disbursement is also done. So these kind of facilitators or the quick delivery procedures that have come in force, probably our customers are not fully aware of those things. The kind of transparency it has brought into the system, and the service delivery and the efficiency in the whole process. So today we are reaching out to all the customers pan-India in a mission mode to make them aware of about these new ways of working that have come in our functioning. And I am very, very encouraged to see that we have got very good response to this event that we have organized today. Last week also we had organized a home loan expo pan-India, and we were surprised on the positive side to see the response, which were more than double the initial expectation that we kept. So today also the numbers that I am getting, preliminary numbers that I have got right now, the response pan-India from our prospective customers is huge, and I am overwhelmed with the numbers that I am getting for the requirements of MSME sector. And I would like to assure my prospective customers through this media this channel that we will be quick in delivery, and it will be a win-win for the customers and the bank also, because as the customers grow, so the bank will grow. Thank you very much.
So besides making it very quick, as you just said, that it will be within a very short span of time you are going to sanction it. What else are you offering? Is there something new that you want to offer to your customers?
On today's event?
Yeah.
Today's event, as I told, is more about making the customers aware, connecting them with us, reaching out to them to assure them that yes, we are accessible, we are there with our products, and they will understand our products, and then there will be whosoever is today registering themselves for a loan, it will be registered in our system, and there will be close, intense follow-up for quick sanction of the proposal.
So this year you are expecting a greater response from them?
Yes, today the response has been really overwhelming, and I'm very happy to see that so much of customer turnout and the kind of inquiries and response that we have got is definitely going to be win-win for both customers and bank.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.